Hello, this is Prem from Chennai. I'm happy to vouch for Medical Council for their professionalism and they were able to solve all the questions which I had put forth to them during my son's medical admission. In fact, they were a source of encouragement and also a lot of clarity given by the founder of this medical council and also by their team. So I would strongly recommend them as a partner when you really have to look for a medical seat, because in our country, medical counseling is as important as the medical entrance preparation. So I always cherish the time that I spent with this medical council and clarifying all my doubts patiently and this a very genuine person and takes a lot of personal interest in everything. And I strongly recommend that you always have to tie up with such people so that you are mentally free to go about your other work and also take expert advice from them. And medical council is the right forum for this and with minimal expense. Thank you.